Hola clase, ¿cómo están? ¿Bien? Hoy vamos a trabajar con el libro en la página 306 y 307. Vamos a hablar de los falsos cognados. Bueno, vamos a empezar por la lista. Abogado significa lawyer, no es avocado. Conductor, driver. Desgracia, misfortune. Éxito, success. Grosería, vulgarity. Lectura, reading. Aviso, a warning or an ad. As the adjectives, let's take a look. We have comprensivo, not comprehensive, but understanding. Okay. Fastidioso, annoying. Gratuito, free. Largo, long, not large. Large would be grande. Sensible, sensitive, not sensible. Simpático, not sympathetic, but nice. Verbos: asistir, to attend. Atender, to assist. Contestar, to answer. Molestar, to bother. Quitar, to take off. Realizar, to carry out. So, let's talk about your homework. So, I would like you... let's take a look at some of these adverbs too. Actualmente. It's not actually. It's a very common mistake. Currently. Actualmente vivo fuera del país. Eventualmente. Not eventually, but possibly. Últimamente. Not ultimately, but lately. Okay. And here are some other examples. Advertir. Champiñón. It's not a champion. I think you know that. Colegio, school, right? Remember the high school, not college. Very tempting to say that, right? Diversión, not a diversion, entertainment. Fábrica, it's not fabric. Fabric is tela, factory. Grabar, it's not to engrave, but to record. Librería, a bookstore. Pariente, it's not padres, right? It's not parents. Relatives. Recordar, to remember. Resto is the remains, the remainder. Salado is salty. Now, especially the adjective when it's feminine, salada, it sounds like ensalada or salad, right? Suceso, it's an event, okay? It's not a success. A success is also a false cognate, right? Because it's éxito, which is not exit. Now, there are many more words available online. I'm just going to go over a couple of more that are not on that list. Some of these are pretty straightforward because I know you know already, like bombero is a firefighter. Sounds like a bomber, but the word bomber is a bombardero. Billion means trillion. That's because we have mil, and then the millions, mil millones, and then the trillions would be billones. So that's definitely a false cognate, right? So we call it mil millones. This one, you know already, carpeta means folder, not carpet, because carpet is alfombra. Codo, everybody knows is elbow, not code, because code is código. Contestar, we did that already. We didn't do embarazada, but we all know that. Okay, just remember that embarrassed is avergonzado or avergonzada. That was not on the list in the book. Estimado, that is esteemed, not an estimate. An estimate is el presupuesto, which can also be used as like the budget. We did éxito already. We did fábrica. We talked about tela. And grosería, which means something rude. No, you can't say, oh, in Fruity Max, hay mucha grosería. No, you can't say that. No, a grocery, okay, is mercado. No, some countries call it abarrotería, but mercado is more common. Introducir, be careful with this one because it's insert, not to introduce. Even among Spanish speakers, I hear students say, me gustaría introducir un amigo mío. That makes no sense. It's literally, I'd like to insert a friend of mine. You have to use presentar. Largo, we did already. Librería, we've done that many times, right? Librería, bookstore, library, biblioteca. Nudo, not nude, because that would be desnudo, right? So here's the correction. We did pretender y realizar. Remember that to realize, it's actually a reflexive verb. Darse cuenta, no? Me doy cuenta. Ropa, we all know that doesn't mean rope, but in case you can't remember, rope, cuerda. Sano, healthy, not sane. And then we have sensible, which is sensitive, not sensible, because sensible is sensato. This was not on the list. That's the last one I'm going to show for today. Soportar. It doesn't mean to support. It means to tolerate, okay, or to put up with. To support something is apoyar. That's one that you might have forgotten, okay? And this, the last one we did already. Suceso is an event, not success. Success is éxito, which is not exit. It's a chain reaction of false cognates. So, what I would like you to do for homework for me is to do práctica número 1, completa las oraciones del párrafo con las palabras del paréntesis. Okay. No es necesario reescribir, pero escriban en un documento las respuestas. Número 2, traducir al inglés. Estas son oraciones que en español suenan como algo diferente en inglés, entonces traducir. Y número 3, escribe una oración con cada par de palabras. Okay, so here's the challenge. I would like for you to try to write one sentence with both, okay? If you can't come up with something, you're just not creative enough at that moment, you can put together 2 sentences. And obviously, because some of these are verbs, you can conjugate. If they're adjectives, you can make it masculine or feminine or singular and plural. You can make changes, okay? Bueno, adiós.